We'll guide you through how to use Google Drive storage options effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Now, let's explore the storage options. Click on the storage option on the left-hand side panel. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your storage usage, detailing how much space is used by Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. To manage your storage, you can start by deleting large files that you no longer need. Go to Google Drive and look for large or unnecessary files. You can sort files by size by clicking on the storage usage bar, then select the files you want to remove, and click the trash icon to delete them. Don't forget to empty the trash to permanently free up space. If you need more space, you can consider upgrading your storage plan. Click on Buy Storage to view the available plans. Choose a plan that suits your needs, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. Another tip is to regularly check your Gmail for emails with large attachments. Deleting these can free up significant space. In Google Photos, you can also manage storage by compressing original quality photos to high quality, which uses less space. To do this, go to the Google Photos settings and select the Storage Saver option. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and optimize your Google Drive storage. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.